Hey everybody, it is Michaelville here with another video. So, it's been a few hours here and I have started packing stuff up. I got boxes all over, some crates really, all over the place now. Yeah. I've got my office pretty much cleared out, as you can see. And yeah, I have it pretty much cleared out. All the computers are all gone, my PC and stuff. So, and I got some things cleared out. Most of the things that I cleared out were in the fridge and stuff like that. Obviously for the kitchen, but yeah. And right now I only have my phone out, which I'm filming with my phone right now, and I have my laptop still out. That's like the only thing right now that is still left out. I have Peanut. Oh, I got Coco here, and then he's just chillaxing on the couch. Peanut is over here on his bed still. He doesn't want to leave, probably because he hasn't actually been at my house and actually lived there. It was quite of an adjustment after Aisha died to get him used to here, but he got used to it, and now we gotta move. Like Coco, he's used to it, he lived here, and then he goes to my other house, then he comes back, he's used to it, but not Peanut, so, but we'll have to try to get him used to kind of going back and forth now, but yeah, Coco loves it, so. And yeah, you got my room. I got some things that's different. I got some shoes. I got those clothes, and obviously those things. A lot of things in this house, are kind of put away. Obviously, like not out, so they're in drawers. So most of the things I have taken and put in boxes to go to my other house is just in like cupboards and stuff, so you can't really see, but some of it you can see. Like there's some things I took, but obviously like in the office you can tell everything I took. I took pretty much everything out of my office, like PC wise, and I still need to get this plant, this flower, because I'm taking out the plants that I have, and flowers and stuff that I have in the house. I only have 3, counting that flower too. But I already got the bonsai loaded up. And, yeah. It gets a box all to itself. And then there was a flower in the plant in the dining room that I loaded up too. And yet the bonsai actually gets its own crate, like own box. And the bonsai is actually in the bottom of bottom box, like wood box. It's at the bottom. It's in the bottom one. Gets it all to itself because it's a bonsai. Don't want it to get crushed or anything. So, But yeah, that's what's going on here right now. But yeah, here in a few, I'm gonna start actually loading up my boxes in my truck. Go talk to my neighbor, because I do need to talk to my neighbor about watching my house, and if he would mow it. So I'm going to talk to him if he would do that for me. But that will be when I'm actually leaving. If not, it's okay. I don't need somebody. I have a security system, I guess. And I'll try to get out here every once in a while. But, yeah. But I got pretty much everything loaded up that I need loaded up. But a few, like 2 things, which I probably will go get that flower so it just doesn't die. Load it up, and then it's just my laptop there, and then I gotta get Peanut in the truck to go back to my other house, and he needs, I know it's gonna be hard because I don't even really have the same bed for him. I'm thinking I might bring his bed though, just because like Coco, he has 2 beds, he has the bed here, and then he has his bed at my other house. So, but Peanut, he's been to my other house, but he hasn't actually had to live there. He came every once in a while with Aisha, but yeah. Anyway, that's gonna be the end of this video. This is like a quick update, and there will be, I do have one that I need to do with when I'm, before I actually pack up, I need to go take a little drive to the lake house that's getting built still, to check up on that to see how that's going. So, but that is going to be the end of the video for today, guys. So see you in the next one.